Ready?
You playing smoking challenge and shit. Alright.
Hit it. Hit it again. Hit it again. Inhale. Hit it. Hit it again. Inhale. Hit it.
Good up, blood, don't.
Go ahead.
Next.
Okay.
Ah, fuck. Oh my god, my chest.
Okay, wait. You okay?
Yes,
You sure?
positive.
You know you got it.
Absolutely.
Alright.
Alright, hit it. That's beans. Hit it. Inhale. Long ass pull. Stop. Inhale. Inhale. Hit it. Hit it. Inhale. Blow it out. Hit it. Stop. Long ass pull. Until I say stop. Stop it. Breathe real hard. Hit it. Inhale real deep. Hit it. Hit it 2 more times.
Fuck, I hate this shit.
Fuck your.
The vampire. Right. Hit it. Stop. Hit it. Inhale. Inhale. Hit it. Oh shit.
What the fuck? It's your problem. You
Hit
don't
it.
get to hold it no more.
Stop. Hit it. Take a long ass pull. Hit it again.
You gotta fix it.
It's not pulling.
Give me.
Yo, that bitch is not pulling now. It's like all sticky.
Cause your mouth. Yo, look at this shit, yo.
And that was like that when I got it.
That's fucked up.
Y'all always
Nigga
try to
can't
mess
even-
it on me.
A nigga can never smoke without getting this shit on the motherfucking blunt. I'm out, yo. Cancel this motherfucking video.